Hey guys, Lawrence here from Unicorn Reviews, and today we're looking at the Womier or Womier. I don't know, is there like Womier and Womiest? I have no idea, but this is a brand new keyboard, the Wk61. It's so brand spanking new that if you click their link on the website to go to Amazon to buy it, it sends you to a different keyboard. Please fix. Anyway, we're gonna get this awesome ducky out of the way and look at the Wk61. Let's zoom you in some more. Nope, zoom you in. There we go, Lawrence. Yes, you figured out how to go the right way with the zoom. Anyway, so this is the Wk61 high performance mechanical keyboard. We'll see about that, but this is brand new. I'm guessing it's going to be somewhere around 60, 70 euros. Maybe they said to me how much this would be in one of their emails, but there were so many emails, I really can't be bothered to read them all. And then stuff on here. What does it say over here? Absolutely nothing. There's a QR code if you want to scan that. No idea where that takes you. And then it also says to go to Womier channel. Hey, camera. God damn it. Stupid camera. Anyway, it says to go to womierchannel.com. They obviously saw how Ducky has channel in their name, so they copied that. Now, I'm not going to be too sarcastic or cynical here. It's actually a very nice piece of paper, lovely color scheme, all very nice and cute. And it's also your manual. So let's put that somewhere in front of me so I actually know what I'm doing when I'm demonstrating this thing to you. There we go. And then in here, a little bag. And then I'm guessing under here we have quite a bunch of stuff actually. Let's get the box out of the way. Blue replacement keycaps. They're putting style, so the bottom half is translucent. I should get this open, but it's the annoying type that's hard to open. All right, so yeah, camera, there you go. So it appears to be backlit, and then you have opaque tops and translucent bottoms for that nice putting effect. Once we turn on the RGB, there's one of these horrible keycap pullers, switch pullers, and a horrible keycap puller as well, along with a USB 2.0, it seems like USB Type-C cable. All right, more box or more bag. There we go. The Womier Wk61. Nice little 61% or 60% putting style keyboard. Let's have a quick look. There's still another keycap here. First impressions, it's quite lightweight, but it's a plastic keyboard, that's to be expected. The caps lock button is a bit crooked. Anyway, so it's a plastic acrylic case. It's somewhat see-through. Now looking at the back, it just gives us a serial number and a product number. Nothing more there. There's no flip out feet or anything, just some rubber anti-slip feet, stickerage. USB port in the middle. I actually prefer it over to the side, but they put it in the middle. That's fine. And then we have the keyboard itself. So let's grab my microphone. All right, so stock sound really not that great if I'm being honest with you, but it's hot swap. So let's first take out one of these keys. So 6 screws, one here, one here, one here, one here, one there, and one over here as well. And now it comes apart a lot more easily. Okay, so there is a little cable on here, and there we go. So on the keyboard, you can see that you have your little USB pass-through board here. Cable is removable on both ends. It's already horribly mangled out of the box. All right, and here is the back of the keyboard. Green PCB, Kale style hot swap sockets, and that's basically it. There's not a whole lot to say about this keyboard other than that it was made apparently on the 5th of August in 2021. So apparently it's not as new as I was thinking it is. All right then, so we swapped over basically everything. So I guess I'll give you a quick sound check now. So having modified the keyboard, it does sound slightly better now with these better switches in there, but it's still a bit pingy. I think it needs better stabilizers. I just want to correct something that I said earlier. Apparently this is true. USB Type-C 3.1 with data transmission speeds up to 40 gigabits a second. I said it was USB 2.0. I really don't see the point in having full speed USB 3 on a keyboard that doesn't have pass-through. I don't know why it's on there, it probably isn't, but still, how would you even check if it is? Anyway, the manual is a manual, I guess, very limited, but the keyboard itself, I'm pretty happy with it. It's probably not going to be a keyboard that I use a whole lot because I've got so many of them these days. Anyway, guys, thank you all very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Please do the whole like, share, subscribe, hit bell icon, that sort of stuff. Bye.